Amendment 20 modernizes the timing of federal government terms to ensure faster transitions, clearer succession, and continuity of leadership. It reduced long delays between elections and the start of service, strengthening accountability and stability in government. Amendment 20 terms of office and succession simplified. Ratified in 1933. Added to the Constitution of the United States. Section 1. New start dates for terms. What this section says, plain language. The terms of the President and Vice President end on January 20th. Members of Congress end on January 3rd. Newly elected officials begin serving on those same dates. Back-end index pointing right, this shortened the long delay between election and taking office, often called the lame duck period. Section 2. Congress meets sooner. Congress must meet at least once each year, beginning on January 3rd, unless Congress chooses a different date by law. Back-end index pointing right, this ensures newly elected representatives begin work promptly. Section 3. Presidential death before inauguration. If the president-elect dies before taking office, the vice president-elect becomes president. If no president has been chosen by inauguration day, the vice president-elect acts as president until a president qualifies. Section 4. Death or failure to qualify. Congress may set rules for what happens if a president-elect or vice president-elect dies or fails to qualify before taking office. Back-end index pointing right, this prevents leadership gaps during transitions. Section 5. When it takes effect. The amendment took effect on October 15, 1933. What Amendment 20 does? Shortens the lame duck period, speeds up government transitions, clarifies presidential succession before inauguration, improves continuity and accountability. What Amendment 20 does not do? It does not change term lengths. It does not alter election procedures. It does not expand presidential powers. It does not remove Congress's constitutional roles. Biblical and constitutional insight. Order and clarity. God values orderly leadership transitions. 1 Corinthians 14, verse 40. Accountability. Leaders should not govern long after voters have spoken. Stability. Clear succession prevents chaos. Stewardship. Authority must be exercised responsibly and promptly. In one sentence, Amendment 20 shortens lame duck periods, sets modern start dates for federal offices, and clarifies succession to ensure timely and stable transitions of power.